Hi, hello, namaskaram. So I hope you have watched all my previous videos regarding eye treatment. So this video is going to be continuation of that videos. So today in this video I am going to explain about the Ayurvedic treatment for eye power. Okay. So actually for my son, he is having eye power. So we visited the ophthalmologist. So there every time whenever we visit, so eye power is increasing. So after that I tried for the Ayurvedic treatments in the Google. So after that we got one hospital which is providing Ayurvedic treatment for the eye power. So I am going to explain about that hospital. Okay. So the hospital name is Sri Sri Tattva Panchakarma. Doctor name is Dr. Padmalochan. So this is available at Sri Sri Ashramam in the Bangalore, where in the Kanakapura area of the Bangalore. So I will share the contact details of the hospital for the appointments and mail ID of the hospital for appointment as well as for the accommodation. So you watch the video till last. I will give you the full details about the hospital. Okay. So actually we have visited the hospital. So doctor told us to take for the 5 days treatment. So we started the treatment, and then later on after seeing the 5 days results, he suggested to go for another 5 days. So totally we have taken a 5 days treatment. So total 10 days treatment. So treatment will start. Actually we started treatment every day at 7:30 and it goes till 2 o'clock. Okay, so that means almost 7 hours this treatment will go on. Okay, so I will explain briefly about the exercises which doctor is going to help. Okay, before that, whatever exercises I am going to tell, every Monday morning doctor will explain about each and every exercises advantages. So whoever going for the Ayurvedic treatment, you can attend the session on every Monday at 10:30 and you will understand it, what is the benefit of each exercises, and then you can decide whether to go for the treatment or not. Okay, so I am going to explain what are all the exercises in the hospital they are making us to practice. Okay, the first exercise is eye wash. Okay, so we have a Triphala powder. By using that Triphala powder, they will make the Triphala eye water. So we'll have the eye cups will be there. So I will show you in the next video how the eye cups will be available. So we need to put our eyes into the eye cups, where in the eye cups it is filled with Triphala water. So this is the first exercise we are going to do. So that exercise you need to do for 3 times, so that it will clean your eyes. Whatever dust is available, it will clean it. And next exercise is the assistant. Actually there are so many assistants are available to guide us what are all the exercises we need to do. So he will put drops, eye tone drops. So this is again an Ayurvedic drops. So after putting the eye drops into our eyes, then we need to do this swing exercise. So towards this, we have to sit towards the sun, and we used to do like this by closing the eyes. So we have to sit on a table, and we need to do this. We need to do for 200 times. This is second exercise, and this third exercise is palming. So we need to do that, and we need to keep it. So this is the third exercise, and the fourth exercise is squeezing. So eyes is squeezing the eyes for a certain number of times. Okay, and the next one is he will tell about the mudras. So according to your whether your body nature. So he will give you the eye, for eye he will give you the mudras. So whatever mudras is suitable for your body, so he will give. So that mudra you need to practice whenever you are free. And the next thing is rotating the eye. So like clockwise and anti-clockwise with slowly. So this is the next exercise. Okay, and this 7th one, this is a very most important one, eye massages. So these eye massages is going to be almost 2 hours session. It is a, they will be using fresh herbs which are growing in their campus. So that means that they are not putting any fertilizers or anything. It is growing in naturally grown herbs. They are using it. Okay, so this will be actually initially it will be a 1 hour session. In that 1 hour session, they will do like a complete exercise, complete massage in the around the eye, and here they will do some head massage. So it's almost like you will feel relaxed, and you will get a sleep for 45 minutes. Okay, so that kind of full relaxation it will be there. So okay, and after that in between you need to do some kind of exercises, and again you need to come back after half an hour, and again you will do the eye massages for 1 more hour. So you will do like they will pour the ghee or milk depending on your eye problem. Okay, it is not the same eye massages for every treatment, every problem. So depending upon the eye problem, they will give the treatment. Okay, because I used to have as I mentioned in the previous videos, I used to have eye redness. So for eye redness, I used to use a Predforte drops, but because of Predforte, I feel only comfortable when I am using the drops. But immediately after 1 week, I used to get eye redness. So this also I took the treatment, and in that he given a different eye massages. From that I am not getting eye redness. Even if I get the I am not getting eye redness. If I am getting also, I will do the exercises which I mentioned in the previous acupressure exercises. Okay. So after that, so we have to read a one particular newspaper or anything in the candle light. So we have to put one candle light, and in front of that we need to read the chart. Okay, and here we need to do this. More exercises will be there in front of a candle light. Okay, and we need to read the chart. So they will keep approximately 20 feet or 25 feet. They will keep one big chart. So there will be different letters will be there, where you can see in the eye hospitals, wherever you see that kind of chart, and you need to read without the glasses. Okay, and I am telling one more thing. So entire this process for 10 days, you should not wear the specs until otherwise if it is compulsorily required. Okay, and you should not drive after the treatment. Okay, so even while doing all these exercises, you should not wear the eyeglasses. Okay, and after that we need to do the steam. So we will take the steam and we'll put the eucalyptus oil into that, and we'll put on towel, and we'll open the eyes, and we'll take the breathe. Okay, some kind of eye exercise will be there with steam. So it will be very good. It will give very good relaxation to the eyes. And after the steam, it will be cold pack with ice water. They will put some. They will add some rose water, and after that they will put the cloth or cotton. In hospital they will put the cotton, and then they will put here. So you need to sit for 10 minutes with a cold pack. Okay, and after that we will do the all exercises. Okay, so just so we need to do this kind of exercises you need to do. Okay, and also we need to do the pill exercise. So this is the thing, but in hospital you can have a standing one. So by using this you need to do the grill exercises. Okay, so by seeing the long distance objects or short distance, you need to do the exercises. All these exercises will be done under the guidance of some assistants will be there. So they will continuously monitor you. They will continuously monitor you. So until the exercises are over. Okay. So and they will ask you to not to do any head bath or face wash during the time. Only you can do the face wash. I'm telling you, these exercises really will help you a lot, because when you go to a normal eye hospitals, ophthalmologist, every time either your eye power will be constant or your eye power will increase. It will never decrease, right? Am I right? So, but here in this Ayurvedic treatment, we have seen eye power has reduced. So that means eye vision has improved. So my eye power one was there, it has completely reduced. So now I am not wearing the specs at all. So I used to see there many of the North Indians who used to come and take the treatments, and many people from the foreign countries abroad like USA, UK, they used to come in this summer time and they used to stay in the ashram. And they used to take the treatment for the 10 days and they used to go. So according to their convenience they used to come. And the old people who they don't want to wear the glasses, they are coming every year or 2 years once, 3 years once. They are coming here, they are rectifying their eye power, and then they are going it, they are doing regularly at their home. Okay, so improvement is there even for my son. Actually the eye power increase has stopped. So that means at the early age for every kids who has the eye power, we will increase, right? So that eye power increase has stopped. So that means spherical power has reduced also for my son. Even for me also it has reduced. So that means eye vision has improved after the treatment. And I have seen the feedback of the other guys also. Some people I met there, he is having a eye power of -9. So he could not read anything without specs. But when I met him after next treatment, when I met him, he told that he can able to read the book without the glasses. So I have seen the very good feedbacks from there. Okay, so if you have it time for 10 days, or you can ask the doctor to give only treatment for 5 days also. Yes, some people used to take it 7 days according to their convenience. Okay, so and for the accommodation purpose, because if you're coming from the outside of Bangalore, then you need an accommodation. So I will mention in the description I will mention the contact numbers and mail ID. So while taking the appointment, you just check with accommodation also. So you can exactly opposite to the Sri Tattva Panchakarma, there are some rooms are available. You can stay there, and there is food is available in the ashramam with free of cost. So really you can enjoy the food as well. And there are few apartments are available near to that. There is a private apartments. There also you can stay. There will be per day 1,000 rupees or something like that. It will be there. So you can avail that accommodation. Okay. So what I mean to say is, so it is a very good for especially for the kids who it will be helpful. So he will give you the eye drops also, Ayurvedic eye drops. Okay. So to use in the morning or evening times. So that will clean your eyes, and he will tell you about the foods which you can take. Okay, and also he will give some Ayurvedic medicine which is helpful for you depending on your body. He will give. So doctor is very good, and he has a very good knowledge about all these Ayurvedic eye treatments and massages. Okay, the cost, when it comes to the cost, so for 10 days treatment it will cost around 8,000. So 8,000 to 9,000, 9,500. It depends on the again on the how complicated your eye problem is. So it hardly per day treatment is around 800 to 900. So I am telling it is really worth, because 2 hours eye massages and they are providing eye wash water. They will give the ball for exercise, and they will provide the candle reading, chart reading, steam, cold pack, everything. And you can in campus you can eat the food with free of food. Okay, but with this all these costs per day 800 is really worth, I'm telling. Because if you go outside for simple just for 5 minutes with the doctor prescription also, they are taking 600 rupees. So here it will be almost for 6-7 hours. Okay, so sometimes you need to bear the time. So actually there will be so many people will be coming. So for the massage and all, you need to wait for some time. So one thing is, you should not hurry up, like I need to go very fast, because there will be so many people waiting. So you need to bear with them. Okay, so it will be really helpful. So I will share you the remaining information about the eye related tips or exercises and reviews for the other treatments. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please share this information to whoever required. This will really helpful. Thank you so much. Stay home, be safe.